Welcome to today's video. This is day 12 of building a career for myself as a software developer. From day 1 to day 11, I was able to learn how to build a full website using HTML and CSS. So in day 12, I was able to build a full website using the Odin tags that was given to me. I was able to build a full website from scratch using HTML and CSS. Now today I'm going to be discussing what I learned while building this website, the challenges I faced. Number one, there were a lot of challenges. I did not believe that I was going to build this thing. I really struggled with it, like sleepless nights. There was a particular day that I told myself that I would not sleep until I had done this thing. Yeah, I just kept at it. I used Google, I used AI, I even asked friends, I called friends because at the point I was not understanding what was working again. I was like, this thing is supposed to work. I had done this thing previously, like a particular button. I had done it before, but when I got to the latter end, for me to now have used this, to now have to code that button, it didn't work. So I had to honestly call a friend. I called a friend and then we brainstormed over it on Google Meet, and he showed me what was missing. And then while he was showing me, I just discovered that I myself I had made a mistake. Honestly, not that there was something missing, it was like I have made a mistake. Then I now realized that okay, the button which I am trying to build, I had already had to give that same button in the HTML CSS file the same tag name. So I needed to change the tag name from that to this so that I would have it in a separate file. So the syntax was going to be different. So he showed me what I needed to do. So I was doing it and I was not seeing development. Initially, there was no development to what I was doing, and I get stuck. I searched on Google, I used the AI. So I just had to use the knowledge I had. I started learning about some syntax again, about CSS syntax. I started learning, understanding them more and more. I had to start understanding the difference between margin and padding. Like that thing really gave me a whole lot of headache. Like, what's the difference between padding? Why is my space not working? Why are the images clustering? Like, I had to start understanding what's the difference between flow, what's the difference between padding, what's the difference between margin, what's the difference between center align. I said reading what are these, I started understanding. I think the best way to build a project for me, the best way to build and to develop is through learning and building in the process, because while I was learning it was as if I was just learning. But when I started building this project, I started seeing the things that I was learning, it became a reality. And I'm not ashamed to recognize my flaws. Like, I knew that I would use the Nigerian language. I knew that I was a Dundee when I was learning. So I had to up my game. So learning and building goes hand in hand. And that's why I think school does not really do a favor to anybody, because at sometimes you are not building, you are just learning. When you now come out to the labor markets, it now feels as if everything looks new to you, because we are only learning theoretical aspects of what you want to practice, and we're not practicing. So I feel learning and practicing should go hand in hand. And I will drop the full video to the website that I made, and will show you everything. And the code to the website is in my GitHub. So by the side, I'll show you the video of the website. It's not a nice one, but at least it is beautiful for a start. And wish me well as I go on to my next task, building another website and going forward and learning JavaScript for the next website I'll build. I'm taking this thing serious, and I want to see how it goes, because I have lots of projects in my mind I want to build. Thank you for your support. See you in day 13. See you tomorrow. Cheers.